Sam Rutherford, Engadget. Google has begun rolling out the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro's latest update following a delay in December. As may you recall, the company paused the release of the OTA after there were reports of the software causing calls to drop and disconnect. The issue was such that Google took the nearly unprecedented move of removing the associated factory images for that update from its developer website. In December, the company said the software would arrive sometime in late January. Last week, it pushed up the timeline to today, January 14th. The update will be available for all devices over the following week, but exact timing may vary depending on your carrier and country, the company said. To that point, some carriers have said they'll begin pushing out the software starting early next week. For instance, Canadian carrier Fido notes on its website, it's targeting January 17th for the start of its rollout. Now that the update is available, it includes all the fixes Google had planned to release in December in addition to more than a dozen new ones. Among other tweaks, you'll find a fix for an issue that had caused the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro to drop a connection to a Wi-Fi network in certain situations. Additionally, the update addresses a bug that had caused the phones to drain their batteries faster than expected. All products recommended by Engadget are selected by our editorial team independent of our parent company. Some of our stories include affiliate links. If you buy something through one of these links, we may earn an affiliate commission.